come in, baby. The water is pretty nice for you. Hi, friends. What's up? Welcome to the broadcast. So today, wait, I'm just gonna wait for a little while everyone gets here. Come here, Mocha. Oh my gosh. Is it working? Okay, that's better. Hi, Deborah. Hi, Valeria. Mocha, come. Come here, baby. I think he knows I'm giving him a bath. Hi, friends. What's up? Welcome to the broadcast. Comment 1 if you can see me, hear me properly. Send your free spins. Send 1,000 bars, 100 likes, 10,000 likes, 5,000 likes, 5,000 bars, 10,000 bars, whatever you want to send. So today, I just took Mocha on a walk. Good morning from Australia. Hey, Kaz. What's up? I just took Mocha on a walk. And he's really dirty, so I thought I would give him a bath while I'm chatting with y'all. So, yeah. Thank you for the 50 bars, Packer cheerleader. I love you. Hey, Jeff, what's up? Oh, Lottie just joined us. Oh my god, yes, queen, we stand. Okay, I'm gonna bring Mocha in the water. Mocha! Lottie, you can leave. Okay, this is gonna be hard. Relax, baby. Relax. Look, it's fun, isn't it? It's fun. Okay. You can barely see him. Hopefully my laptop doesn't die. Okay, that's cute, right? Okay, welcome to the broadcast, everyone. If my computer falls down on the shower, I'm going to be really sad. Oh, you're so cute. That's what you get for being all dirty. Mocha, why don't you like water? I thought all dogs like water. No? You know how to swim. How is everyone doing, though? Oh my god, he's so cute. Thank you. I just birthed him. I'm kidding. Happy Monday, by the way, to everyone. I posted a video yesterday. Mocha, no! No, Mocha! Mocha, no! Hi, baby. Hi, baby. It's okay. I know I'm normally in with you. It's okay, baby. You're not gonna drown. Baby, he's so scared. But you two stink, baby. When was the last time we gave you a bath? I don't remember. Do you remember? I think Dion went live last time. Your shoes are dirty too. My shoes? Yeah. Oh yeah, I was so mad. Did y'all see my Instagram post? My Instagram story? My shoes, like, I haven't worn those since, like, a year ago. They were so clean, and now they're dirty because of the weather. All the snow is nothing. One sec, friends. Hi, Curly. What's up? Okay. Evening, Seb, sweetie. Hope you've had a good day. I hope you all have had a good day. Wait, you guys can't really see me. But, like, you can see Mocha. Which one do you prefer? Mocha, right? Oh, you're such a good boy. Yeah. You like that, don't you, little baby? Mocha, you're getting my computer wet. Don't be rude, Moki. This was probably a bad idea. Let me just, one second, I'm gonna move my computer because it's so wet now. Hopefully it's not broken. Oh, I'm gonna put it on the toilet. Okay, is that better? Okay, Moki. What are we gonna do with you, baby? He's so cute. Do you not like the water, Mocha? Do we not stand? 1 sec. Oh! Go down. Down. Good boy. Good boy. Get that chest wet. Yeah, he probably does hate me for this. He's a dirty boy. Comment one if you watched the video I posted yesterday, because I posted a new prank yesterday. Also, I'm doing a giveaway. If any of you want AirPods, go check out my latest Instagram post. And you can get some AirPods sent to you. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram, like my latest Instagram post, and tag 3 friends in the comments. You can enter as many times as you want. Just make sure you tag 3 different friends each time. And also, even though I love Oprah, Taylor Swift, and Justin Bieber, don't tag famous people in the comments because that kind of doesn't count. But I love you all. Okay, I'm gonna apply it. Oh, he's yawning. Oh, you okay, baby? Why do you not like water? In the summer, you're gonna come swimming with us, baby. I'm applying a shampoo. I'm so sorry you guys cannot see. Wait, oh wait, I know. 1 sec. That's his little tail. Oh, you're so cute, aren't you? Does that relax you? Yes, it does, baby. 1 sec, friends. This is not everything that's going to be in this broadcast. Don't worry. Did you see the video? We all said we love you. Oh my god, I love that video. I have to show that video to Dion, but I loved it. Honestly, thank you so much for being the best. I love you all so much. Thank you, Cass, for the 400 likes. Love you so much. Yes, you're the #1 fan. Oh my god, let's rate it to 2,000 likes. We only need 500 more likes. Thank you, Naka. Poor dog having to go through something like this. He's liking it right now. Aren't you, baby? Oh, you're so cute. It's so relaxing being bathed. Honestly, I would love to be a dog or a cat and, like, be given baths. I would stand. 1 sec, Moki. We're almost all done, baby. Ugh, the water went into my mouth. Washing those paws, 'cause you're amazing. Washing those paws, 'cause they're so dirty. Like, it's just all the melted snow turns into, like, dirty water. Okay, so Georgia sent me this thing on Instagram stories, no, on Instagram, about someone saying a conspiracy about snow. Did any of y'all see that? That was very scary. Oh, Monkey, be careful, baby. Oh, my shirt is all wet now. Are you okay, baby? Ugh, okay, my shirt is all full of soap now. 1 sec, friends. Oh, he's so cute. Washing his private area. Sorry, you guys can't see this. Okay, you need to be really clean, baby. All your, like, paws are so dirty. Okay, baby. Oh, yes, you like that, don't you? Washing his booty, because he needs to twerk. Oh my god, the most awkward thing happened to me today. I went to the pet store to get a little pooping pad for Mocha, because we get a, like, wood pooping pad. It's really good, I recommend it. Anyways, off topic, 1 sec. Oh yeah. Anyways, start talking to the girl that works there, and I'm like, oh my god, yeah, we found. I meant to say we found the black booties that. No, I meant to say we found the black boots that you recommended to us. So I started saying, oh yeah, we found the black booties. And she's like, what? And I was like, yeah, we found the black booties, the balloon booties. But I think I was saying booties, like butts. And I don't think she understood what I was saying until like a few minutes later. And I was just like, oh my god, this is so awkward. So yeah. Is anyone else really awkward with anyone? Like 80% of the time? Okay. Isn't this relaxing, baby? Yes, it is. Okay, now we're gonna rinse and repeat. I'm gonna. Thank you, Cass, and thank you, Kareem, for the likes. I think I didn't see them, but thank you. You're the best. One sec. Mocha is a Pomeranian with a husky. Oh. One sec, friends. I'm rinsing him. Oh my god. These camera angles are not good. Oh my god. Oh. Ah! 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 Oh my god. I did not plan this properly. Oh my god. Thank you, Kareem, for the likes. Oh my god, I'm so wet. Moki, I love you, but I'm so wet now. Mocha. Oh my god. Mocha, I need to rinse you. Oh my god. Mocha. I don't know what to do. Friends, I don't know what to do. Oh. Okay, I think I'll just wait till this drains and I'll fill it up again. Because Mocha's not helping. He's like, bitch, you got me into this mess. Now you take me out. Oh my gosh. If you need some advice to coming out, don't come out until you are ready to do it. Like until you are 100% ready to do it. It helps if you like talk to your family and friends about LGBT stuff and see how they react. Okay, 1 second. I feel bad for Moki. He's probably so cold. Well, he's fine. He's just like, oh, I hate this. I think bats make him tired. Thank you, Cass, for the 1,000 likes. Love you so much. Oh my god, guys. We're 600 likes away from 1,000 likes. That is crazy. Okay, baby. Yeah, I'm not drying him yet. I'm waiting for the water to go so I can put clean water in here. Because he's a dirty boy, aren't you? Oh, he looks clean though. Oh, my baby, you're so cute. You still have so much soap though. You'll be dry in a second. Bye, Jessica. I love you. Oh my god, we made it to 10,000 likes. Yay! If your family doesn't like LGBT things, you can still try talking to them about it and like slowly make them understand how LGBT things are just human things, and people that don't agree with LGBT things, they really just don't agree with human equality. So yeah, a dirty boy. He was such a dirty boy. You're right, Marco. Hi, baby. Sorry, I'm so sorry making you wet. Oh, wait, oh, wet. Oh, don't hate me, Mocha. Please don't hate me, baby. She's so skinny, though. Skinny. Oh my god, we're number 83 on top broadcasters. Yes! After I clean him up, I'm gonna make some pasta for Diongo because he's actually sick. So, yeah. I think he got like either the flu or strep throat, maybe. Everyone hates me now. I literally was watching your videos crying all day. Oh my god, no, we don't hate you. Friends, tell everyone, tell Indy A005 that we don't hate them. Everyone say, we love you, Indy A, because we love you. Okay. Oh, there's so much dirt. One sec, friends. I'm rinsing Mocha. Baby boy. Sorry, friends. Oh. Okay, I think it's dry. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's so wet. Oh my god, the fire alarm couldn't have gone off at a better time. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's dry now. As they think you're ignoring them. I can see all your comments, babes. I just like haven't been reading the chat because I was bathing my dog. I don't know if you noticed. But yeah, we're finished now. We're drawing him. What do you want me to say in Spanish, Alina? Love and smiles for everyone, Marco. Yes, that's the way it is. Oh, people on YouTube, I cannot see your comments because I'm live on younow.com/Sabargo. So if you want me to be able to read your comments on YouTube, make sure you come to younow.com/Sabargo. Because I cannot read the comments on YouTube. Sorry about that, babes. I'm not ignoring you. I'll just like, Younow won't show me those comments. So it's easier if you come to younow.com/Sabargo. Soy Sabargo, my Spanish channel, is coming soon. It's a whole rebranding extravaganza, new videos, new challenges in Spanish. You're not ready for it. I'm kidding, but yeah, it's coming soon. Thanks, Send Web. Oh my god. Thanks, News This Second, for letting me know. Would you replace my Spanish channel? Teacher. Oh yeah, I would love to be your Spanish teacher. Rue's Drag Race. Oh my god, RuPaul's Drag Race All Stars I am so annoyed at Naomi Smalls. I don't stand her anymore. I used to stand her. I love Naomi, but like after that shady move, I don't know if I stand her. You know? Oh, I'm drawing you, baby. He always has this like asthma attacks. Does that happen to anybody else's dogs? My dog from Mexico gets them too. That's weird. Is it just like a me thing? Oh, you're so cute. Good boy. Oh my god, we're number 52 on top broadcasters. Thank you everyone for liking up. I love you. Dion is sleeping right now because he's sick. Oh, my baby. So, thanks for being with me while I gave him a bath. This was very fun. Thank you, Marco, for the 2,000 likes. Love you so much. You're the best. Send Dion go get well wishes. I will. My boyfriend is sick, babes. How are you, Seb? I'm good. Thanks for asking. How are you doing today? Let's hope he doesn't completely hate you now. I think he doesn't hate me. Oh my god, I think... Did you guys hear that? There's an emergency in my... Did you guys hear that? That's so scary. But they said hold on for further instructions. So we'll just wait. And I'm going to try to dry him in case I have to exit the building. I don't want him to get sick because it's cold outside. Ugh, what? Why did I give him a bath right now? Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, Mocha. What do you think? What the hell? Did you guys hear that? That was so scary. You're the poop, Jane Leesk. Is there a fire there? I don't know. They said there was an alarming condition in the parking level. They said hold on to the people in the Twin Towers. What? Stay safe. I will. You're 30 guys. Oh my god, we're 30 guys, yes! I'm gonna be ordering merch. Oh yeah, we're about to restock some sizes because there's sizes that are sold out. So if anyone wants a size restocked, let me know what size and what product. Oh my god. Diogo?
What?
What's going on?
I think you should go.
Yeah, but it's in the other tower.
How do you know?
He said east. And we're west.
What?
Will you guys ever do the hoodies in white? I don't know if we'll do the... We might do the shirts in white if you guys would want to. One sec. Mocha, I have to dry you in case we have to exit the building. Mocha? One sec, friends. We don't know what's happening. I think it's a prank idea. No, it's not a prank, friends. Mocha, I have to dry you in case we have to leave. Be safe, babes. Thank you. Like, I'm pretty sure we're fine. They said parking level on the other tower, not the one that we live in.
Are you going?
I don't think so. Because they said hold on for further instructions. Wait, before this alarm, did you hear them talk? Oh, Mocha, I need to dry you better. Oh my gosh. I hate these alarms. Mocha, don't be scared. Yeah? You think? Okay, can you put latte in her bag? Okay, friends, I think we're exiting this broadcast, but I'll be back later. Love you all. Stay safe.